Happy Monday. Welcome back to school. I hope you had a great weekend. We are going for green math. We're going to grade 9.2 and it's week 30, day 1. So we're going here. We're going to grade 9.2. It should be in your math book from Thursday. Okay, so we did 6 through 21. So number 6 is y equals x minus 3. The output is 3 less than the input. Okay, number 7. The output is 6 times the input. 6 times x. Okay, number 8. The output, which is always y, is 1/2 the input. So this is 1/2 times x. Number 9. The output, y equals, is 11 more than the input. So we can do 11 plus x or x plus 11. Both of those would work. Okay? Number 10 is 8. Number 11 is 42. Number 12 is 17. Number 13 is 3.5. Number 14 is 17. Number 15 is 13. Number 16 is yes. Number 17 is no. Number 18 is yes. Number 19 is no. Number 20 is no. Number 21 is yes. Okay? Good. Okay, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So out of 17 is your answer. So minus what out of 17? Okay? Now, today we're moving on to 9.3. So set that aside. Get ready for today. So we have lesson 9.3, which is on page 380. So everyone open to page 380, and we will start going. Okay, so again, we have our box here, right? We have our ins, we have our outs. What are the ins? They are the x's. What are the outs? They are the y's. Okay, so it says my function is y equals x plus 2. Okay, they gave me 1, 2, 3, 4. So right, so where this is, I put a 1 plus 2. What's 1 plus 2? 3. Okay, this one is 2 plus 2, 4. This one will be 3 plus 2. So I'm taking these, I'm putting them in here, and 3 plus 2 is 5. And then the last one is 4 plus 2, which is 6. So they're going to give us the ins. We have to figure out what the outs are. Okay? So they either do it up and down like this, or if you look at example number 1, they put it sideways like this. And they have the ins, so the in and the out. Remember, this is x and this is y. And they put 2, 3, 4, 5. And then they gave us this. The output is 1 less than the input. So the output is, remember, is always the equal sign. So the output is 1 less than the input. So x minus 1. Okay? So right here, we're going to do 2 minus 1. What's 2 minus 1? 1. Then I'm going to do 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. And then this one will be 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. And then 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. So that's how that works. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, so you get your box, right? We have your in, which is your x, and your out, which is your y. And they gave us this equation. On B, it says the output, y, is twice the number of the input. So 2 times x. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so they have 3. Oh, sorry. They have 0, 3, 6, 9. Right? Okay, so substitute in 0 right here. So 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 6 is 12. And 2 times 9 is 18. Okay? So that's how that works. And they're going to give you the equation that looks like this. The output is twice the input. Okay, so the output is y. Is equals, twice is times 2. Times 2, the input. So that's how I got y is 2 times the input. The output is twice the input. So that's how you get that. Every time you see output, it's y, input is x, is a beautiful big equal sign. Okay, going on to page 31 for our next step. It says, which function shows the rule? Okay, so we have to figure out, so they give us this box, okay? These are the outs, these are the ins. Now remember, we want our function to say y is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay? And these move by, okay, it doesn't matter how those move. Okay, so 5, 10, 20, 40. Okay? So how are these moving? Plus 5, plus 10, plus 20, right? They're doubling each time. And so are these, right? Plus 2, plus 4, or plus, I did that wrong. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 4, right? So they're doubling as they go down. But how are these related? This is times 5, right? Times 5, times 5, times 5. So y equals 5 times x. This is, you want to see how these are related. Okay? Let's see if we have another one of those. Okay. So I have my x's, my y's. Okay, they have 0, 4, 8, 12, and then 0, 40, 80, 120. So, how are these ones changed? This one doesn't change at all, right? Okay, so how are these? They're changing times 10, right? Times 10, times 10. But if you did 0 times 10, it would still be 0. So this is y is x times 10, or 10x would also work, okay? Okay, so let's do another one of those like that so you guys understand that you're trying to figure out. So the x, the y's, 1, 3, 7. They're trying to figure out what that one is. Okay. 5, 7, 11, 25. Okay, so how did this change? Plus 4, right? How did this change? Plus 4. This one, plus 4. So I know that this is y equals x plus 4. Well, what plus 4, so I have to really minus 4, is what we're starting with, is 21, right? So this one, 2 answers right here, and then the question mark is 21. So step 1, figure out how they're changing. Step 2, write the equation and then find the missing number, is how they did that. Okay, so what are we doing today? You guys are going to be doing, for green, week 30, day 1, you guys are doing lesson 9.3. We will do 3 through 11. So not that many. Make sure you guys draw your tables and do all your work, okay? See you tomorrow.